So now, you navigate between pages using the arrows, the navigation arrows down here, right for log, for example, and if you want to go back to calculator, you just hit calc here. And if you are on a mobile device, it's exactly the same by swiping. You swipe left to go right to calculator, to log screen, and you swipe right to go left to calculator. Why am I showing you this? Well, this is log screen. You will see that it's blank because we haven't logged anything yet. But if you, for example, toggle life points logs on and you subtract 500 life points from Yugi, you will see that Yugi has lost 500 life points here. Same goes for coins. If you turn logs on for coins and you toss a coin, the result will also show here. Let's suppose we want to log dice. So you roll a dice and that's it. We have the result here. Timer also supports logging. You turn it on, start the timer, and you'll notice that timer started at 20 minutes. Now, since timer log is on, note that timer section here shows you the current timer where the action was logged, right? And this is true for all type of logs. Now they will register the timer itself. If you have life points, it will not only show the real time in real life time, but also the timer where the action took place. And well, it's exactly the same for coins, and exactly the same for die, and exactly the same if you, for example, stop the timer. All actions will be logged here. Notice that they are all sorted with no type difference, right? That's because all is selected. If you click on the heart here, all life points actions will be filtered. If you click on dice, it filters by dice actions. If you click on coin, you've guessed it, and timer, that's it. You go back to all, and all actions are sorted in the same place. If you click here in idle time, you will switch logging from oldest to newest and newest to oldest. And if you want to delete logs, click on the trash can and mind that this action is permanent. Once you delete all logs, they are gone and that's it. You clear them and we start fresh again. Keep in mind, I forgot to tell you that log page also supports vertical view. Now, if we move to search page, the next one, you will see a black screen because we didn't search for anything yet, of course. Let's, I don't know, search for dark precision. And you will see that each card in the game that has dark magician in its name will appear here. If we, swipe accidentally. If we hit on dark magician here, we will see that the screen divides itself into three: image screen, description, and prices. Image screen is really easy. You click on it and the component here will prompt you if you want to look at its art. Click on it and the art will show. I'm on PC, so this action will not actually work, but if you pinch on it on a mobile device, you can zoom it in and out. So let's see, description, card description, you have its name, its card type, its monster type, attribute level, attack defense, flavor text or description, its condition in TCG and OCG, and all of its original arts. I don't know, let's take a look at the egg one. Wow, that's a cool one. Where's this one from? Well, it doesn't know, but it's really cool. I don't even like Dark Magician that much, but well. And price screen is formed of all the sets where the card was printed in, and this price you see here, 515, 355, and so on, is it's taken from Yu-Gi-Oh card prices as their average. It's actually the common price that everybody checks, right? So you will see for each set their price. Wow, that's an expensive one. Holy, we have dual terminal, so many prices. How many sets does Dark Magician have? Well, I'm scrolling because I want to show you something here, but down there we have. This section here shows you the lowest prices this card was when this search was performed in all these sites. For example, car market's lowest price Dark Magician is at 2 cents. NTCG Player is 22 cents, and eBay is $64 with 64 cents. So why this price spike? Because this section here actually tells you which is the lowest price of the card in this site, regardless of its set. The retailer sites are underlined for a reason. It means that you can actually click on them to be directed to that page, as you will see, by using the search of its name here, exactly the same as we've done. So you will see that we have a Dark Magician here of 20 cents that actually correlates with almost 22 cents being in display here. The difference is almost like a couple of cents only. It's because of rounding up or down. And you keep in mind that even though Dark Magician Girl here shows, or a figurine shows here, they are not taken. I mean, only Dark Magician is being filtered out here. So, if you need any additional help with this component, you have a tip button here that has 3 screens, one for search, all its tips, prices, and filter. And if you want to expand the screen, let's suppose that you don't want to see the flavor text so collapse, you click on here and it's expanded. Same goes for prices, right? And of course, like every other thing in this application, vertical view is also supported.